Hello everyone, this is Fun Maths with Excel. This is a continuation video on arithmetics. In the first video, we have been able to discuss an introduction to arithmetics, and we're able to state that arithmetic concentrates or discusses the basic operation tools of mathematics, and they include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And so if you haven't gone through that video, please go through it and before you continue this video. So this is a part 2 in the 5th series of this video. So the focus of this video will be on subtraction. And what does it mean to subtract? Subtraction means to take away. It means to subtract. And very important thing to note is that when we say take away, it means that you would have something present before you are able to take away from it, right? It equally means that you cannot have something lower and you are taking away from it. For example, you do not have orange and someone said, give me orange. You can't take away from it. Another example is you have 5 oranges and someone is telling you to give him 9 oranges. You see, you can't perform that operation or take away from what you already have because you do not have up to that. And so subtraction usually move in the order of what? Higher numbers to lower numbers. That means you can take away from higher number, take away smaller numbers from higher numbers. Okay, and so what is the sign or symbol of subtraction? The sign or symbol of subtraction is this, and it stands for the word minus. Okay, what are the words used to mean subtraction? Number 1 is subtract or subtraction. Number 2 is minus. Number 3 is difference. And then number 4 is take away. All right, so just like in the case of addition, we can have single digits subtracting single digit. We can have 2 digits subtracting 1 digit or 2 digits itself also. So we are going to see different scenarios where this happens. And like I stated in addition, that you can easily use sequential method when you do not have large numbers or bigger digits. Okay, and so we are going to take an example and call it example 1. Solve single digits now, 8 minus 5, and the solution to that is simply 8 minus 5. You have 8 oranges. You are asked to take away 5 from it. How many oranges will you have left? And that will be 3. Okay, all right, so let's see examples stating subtraction of single digit and single digit. So 1 digit minus 1 digit subtraction. We'll call this example 2. Example 2. Find the difference between 9 and 4. Solution. Since it's just a smaller distance, we can just use the sequential method. 9 minus 4. Okay. And we have 9, let's say 9 balls, and we are asked to take away 4 from it. What will you be having left is 5. Okay. Let's see another example. Example 3. The same. Take away 7 from 9. Okay. You would notice that although 7 in the equation comes first, we are going to be writing 9 minus 7 instead, because 9 is bigger than 7, and so you can only take away 7 from 9 and not the other way around. So that will be 2. Okay, let's see 2-digit subtraction. 2 digits minus 1 digit. Example 4. Find the difference between 23 and 9. Find the difference between 23 and 9. Okay. Let's say solution. (23 and 9). That is 23 minus 9. And that is 23 minus 9. Now, good. If you look at this question here, you would notice that 3 is less than 9. Okay, remember we are starting the operation from our right hand side, which is 3 here, 9 minus 9. Now, you can't say 3 minus 9 is smaller. In subtraction, we do what we call borrowing. Okay, since this number is less than 9, we are going to borrow 1 from 2. That is the nearest number. And when we borrow 1 from 2, we will be having 1 left here. And when we add that, it will not be 4 when we add it. The 1 will just come to the front, and that will make it 13. Please, each time you are borrowing from the nearest number to the other side, you are not adding that number to the existing number. You are just placing it at the front. So that makes it 13. And 13 minus 9 is 4. Okay. We have 1 here minus nothing, and that is 1. Remember, what is remaining here is 1. Okay. So let's see another example of, say, this will be example 5. 3 digits minus 2 digits. Subtraction of 3 digits minus 2 digits. So example, this will be example 4 now, or 5. Solve 109 minus 25. Solve 109 minus 25. Solve 109 minus 25. Okay, so we can have 109 minus 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 0 minus 2, we cannot do that. We'll borrow from here, add to this. Remember, the one is just coming here. What is remaining here is nothing. That's 0. So now here becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. And here is 0, so it's nothing. So this means 109 minus 25 equals to 84. 109 minus 85 equals to 84. Let's see an exact example of 4 digits minus 3-digit number. So call this example 6. What is the difference between 8901 and let's say 349? Okay, solution. Hold on, 8901 349. 8901 minus 349. This is minus 1 minus 9. It cannot go because 1 is lower. So we and when we move to the next number, which is 0, we can't borrow 1 from 0 because it's nothing. So we will move to the third number, which is 9, and borrow 1 from here to this place. Okay, what we'll have remaining here is 8. And when we borrow 1 from here to this, we'll have 10. However, we are going to still borrow to this one. So when we do that, we are going to have 9 remaining here, right? And 1 added to this. And so this becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Here is 9 now. 9 minus 4 is 5. Here is 8 now. 8 minus 3 is 5. And here is 8. And this is the answer. Okay. So it can go on and on and on. You can have 5 digits minus 4 digits, 5 digits minus 5 digits, and so on and so forth. It's not a difficult thing. Okay. I'm going to give you something to take home. Let's see. Solve let's say 9 0 0 2 3 1 minus 8 9 7 3 5. Okay, let's stop there. Okay, so solve this. Let me see what your answer is. Leave it in the comment section. Thank you for following this video and watching this video. Please, you would encourage us by liking this video and also following this channel, and equally watching more of our videos on the channel. Thank you so much.